coming around the corner now. She curves. Yeah! Fuck, I thought I was going underneath that rain, but there's two of them. Bloody bugger. No rain in the boat. Oh, look. It's the Lucas. Oh, my cousin passed away over there. Yeah, car crash.
Let go. What's on you?
Beautiful day today for te hoiho. Brought them down to check on our little kai we got growing over here. Our little mara garden. Cabbage, lettuce, broccoli, red cabbage, lettuce, beetroot, and kale. Moni tera e te whānau, e kone iau, te mara kai, te kone, beetroot, lettuce, kale, cabbage, red cabbage, broccoli, lettuce, more cabbage. And te hoiho kei reira. Hapai. Ka mai tōku tōra amene. Come down check on our veggie garden today. Pumping. Atkinson streetcar kai garden. Whānau. Ane te mai. Mahi oku ringa. Mai oku ringa tēnei mai. Mēnā hoiho. Hara mai eke hoiho au. Eke hoiho au ki tēnei mara kai. Hara mai ki te titiro. Toku kai mahi oku ringa. Oh. Another winter in town for te hoiho. Picked up Lee Mary on te hoiho today. Hello, my son, baby. Ike, you're gonna ride the horse home. Ride your horse home to mama. 2026 in Gisborne, Ontario. Another day in Tūranga for te hoiho. Boys are grazing on the side of the road. Māori land. Why not give a Māori hoiho to the land? Horse eating competition. Who's going to eat the most horse? Which horse is going to eat the most grass? Free grazing on Māori land. Must get a Māori horse on the Māori land there. It's the white man's road, Māori's land. Or stand up. Stand up here, Māori boy.